Hey guys, Alicia here, where I'm all about making a passive income and making money online. Today I want to show you how to make a gold font. And it's a lot simpler than you think, and you can do it without Photoshop, and you can actually do it completely free if you want. Now, I actually purchased all of these papers directly on Etsy, and it wasn't very much. You know, some of these, for a bunch of these, were only like anywhere from $2 to, maybe $4.99 at the most. So, actually, I think I only spent a total of, maybe $8, and I got all of these papers, and there's still some I haven't actually downloaded or saved to this folder. So be sure to stick to the end of the video, because I'm also going to show you how to do a Rosegold font, and also to show you how to get a transparent background and what you can actually do with this this font. You know, we have seen these fonts on blogs, we've seen them on t-shirts, coffee mugs, digital products on Etsy, whatever it is that you need the font for. This is a very simple and easy way to do. So I'm going to jump right over here to iPicky.com. Now, this is a site that I use, and I will leave a link in the description below. PicMonkey is no longer free. So I never did use PicMonkey, and iPicky is something I've always used, and so far it's free. If they ever do start charging, I will pay for it, because I love this site and it has all of the features that PicMonkey has. So what we want to do is go to create a design. Okay. And we don't really have to worry so much about resizing this square image that's going to pop up right here. We just need to get our text in here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add my text, and I'm going to change my font. And on here, these are the fonts it comes with, but if you click over here on local, any fonts that you have downloaded, this is where they're going to appear. So I'm going to use the Melina font. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add this text again, because I don't want it to be too close or too far apart. So I'm going to change the font one more time. Okay, so let me go ahead and get this. We want this really big. Okay, so this is, let me move this over just a little bit, kind of put it a little closer together. Okay, you also want to make sure that your font is black. So the next thing we're going to do, and I have already uploaded my gold paper, you want to completely cover this text. Okay, so now that it's completely covered, all you have to do is you're going to go over here to where it says normal, and you're going to click lighten. And that takes the background and puts it behind the text, and then this is what you have. So that's how you do that. It's really not difficult at all. And now let me go ahead and show you. how to do a rose gold font. Let me see. No, let me see. This one. Okay, so once again, we're going to completely cover the text. And we're going to go over here and we're going to click lighten. And then there we go. We have a rose gold font. Now to take it a step further, I want to show you what you can do to this, where you can make a transparent background and how you can use it. When you click save, it's going to go ahead and flatten all of these layers right here. So we're going to click save. I'm just going to put okay, so we're going to save this to my computer. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Okay, now I'm going to hop over to Lunapic. And we're going to make this a transparent background. And then once we make it a transparent background, I'm going to show you what you can do with it. Okay, so here's our image. And with Lunapic, when you go into the transparent background, with one click of a button, it takes out the background and makes it a PNG file. Okay, so now we're going to go up here and we're going to save the image, save as PNG, and it throws it down here in the bottom left-hand corner into a bunch of like numbers and letters. So we just want to save as. Okay, so I saved that to my desktop. And now we're going to jump back over to iPicky. And this time we're going to click on Edit a Photo. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up one of the t-shirt mock-ups that I photographed a while back. You can put this on a coffee mug, you know, just about anything. So I'll go to my photo library here and let me see. Okay, so I took this t-shirt mock-up photo, and I'm going to add the text that we just did in rose gold to the front of this. So we need to click on the, it looks like 3 little stacks of paper right here where it says designer, add text, stickers, and images. So this is our layering tool. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the PNG file that we just made a transparent background. Okay, so now we're going to take this image and we're going to drag it over here and we're going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to tilt this because, as you can tell, the way that the photo was taken, it's just a little bit tilted. So let me make this just a little bit bigger. And there we go. That's how you do that, how you make a gold font and a rose gold font. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll get notifications whenever I upload future videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.